Hello, everyone. My name is Oscar Son, and today I will be talk about Edith Clark. She was an awesome woman. I really, I, I didn't who it was, but I am very impressed. Now she is my new heroine, and I'm so excited to talk about her. Well, first of all, she was born in United States on February 10, 1885. She studied at MIT or Massachusetts Institute of Technology, and she was the first female electrical engineer in America. Also the first professor of electrical engineering at the University of Texas. She was a human calculator. Also, she was inventor. She was a writer. After that, mm, she worked at General Electric. An incredible woman. Mm, she won She won prizes for the for her scientific article. That is amazing. Really, she is my new heroine. She was a teacher for 10 years. Mm, and finally, she died in 1959. But in 23, she was inducted into the NIHF or National Inventor Hall of Fame. Thank you.